Hello, Justine. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Um, Before I start the actual meeting, I'd just like to read a disclaimer first. So
Okay.
this video is being recorded. So here's the disclaimer. This session and presentation is being recorded for assessment purposes for my course with Open Colleges. This recording will be live streamed through Open Colleges online learning platform to the Open Colleges learning management system. These sessions may be used by Open Colleges for compliance purposes or within the course to demonstrate examples of best practices. The video may be available publicly. This applies to the time the video is being streamed. After the recording, the video will be stored securely and will become the property of Open Colleges. So if you do not want to, if you do not wish to be recorded, you'll need to leave this session now. So is it okay for the video recording to go ahead?
Yeah, it's okay with me.
Okay, good. Thanks very much. And okay, so we are here for the first meeting to discuss about the induction program. One other thing before we proceed as well. So the in terms of the OHS and WHS policy, I just want to point out the fire emergencies. If you go to the door on your left and the exit is just there, and you assemble in the car park if there's a fire, and the toilets are through the door on your right. Okay, so let's begin now. And okay, so we're going to go through the objectives of the induction program. So the whole idea is to introduce to you the CRM that the company uses and the preferred techniques of the CRM system. Now I understand that you have already have some experience with CRM systems already, and so this company uses a slightly different system, and it will be good for all employees to have the same background and same familiarity with the CRM system. And also another thing is that this company emphasizes that the employees need to take care of the security of their own computer systems. So that's why there will be also a few tasks that that is involved in this training to train the employees to about the online security software and so on. So are there any questions so far?
Not really.
Okay, good, thanks. So go ahead with the next items. So I'll just briefly go through the training activities that will occur in this program. So it's going to be divided into a few different categories. Inside there, there's a few tasks. So for example, there's a management of data, and then in that we'll cover the extract and backup of data, and also sanitizing data. So both of these tasks will involve importing data into the database and backing them up, and also filter data by removing any of the blank or data which has got errors. And then the next part would be analysis of data, and that would involve importing data into an Excel spreadsheet, and then there's a part on filtering. So this will be using the pivot tables in Excel to do the filtering, and also visualization, which is to use Excel to plot the graphs. And finally, the last two tasks would be maintaining the security of the machine. So this will involve installing antivirus software and anti-malware, and then the other section of the task would be to keep your software up to date, and also to update browsers, update software like the browsers. Okay, so now I'll go to the another section, which is the learners and the responsibilities. So I'll go through what the learners are responsible for. So basically, the learner would need to put a genuine effort in this training course, and the learner would be responsible to ask any questions that they may have during training which they think is unclear, and the learner would perform the tasks and assignments as required to the best of their ability, and also to understand the workplace safety and the OHS policies. And so can I just ask you if you could briefly describe what kind of learner you are?
I think I'm the fast learner, and I want to learn by the trying and also by example.
Okay, that's good. And yeah, so we can cater for that. So I'll ensure that the training courses will suit your learning method and techniques. And what can you tell me whether the expectations that I've mentioned, like the responsibilities, are they reasonable?
I think it's quite reasonable.
Okay, good. And all right, so the next part I'll go on with the facilitators' roles and responsibilities.
Yep.
So as a facilitator, I will conduct the training program in a professional manner and treat all learners with respect and understanding. And I'll welcome any questions during the training, and also to assist the learner as much as possible. And but I will try to give the learner many opportunities to actually do the things by themselves as well, to learn by the mistakes as well. And then together we'll also practice the WHS and OHS in the workplace. And okay, the final section in this meeting I'll cover is the stakeholders for this program, this learning process. So can you tell me if you know who the stakeholders are?
Yes, I think there's a sales manager and operational managers,
Yes.
and also IT managers there,
Yes.
and head of operation. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, yeah, that sounds about right. So that covers it, and also the supervisor, of course, will be the
Yeah.
another stakeholder in this process. So these are people who will benefit from your good work here in the company, and so in this case, your company has installed the new CRM system with some new employees, and so the management think it is good to train all of the employees at your level on this new system. So, all right, thanks very much for your time for this initial meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.